Well, with the constant battle to upgrade this dust collector, you'll see here, this silver tape was not holding. And basically dust works its way in and then makes it go loose. And then this piece, which has lots of play in it, actually rotates. And that allows lots of dust to get out. Same with all this, and with this, and with this, and with this, and with this. So, I'm going to try something new. Zip System, Huber sent me this stretch tape. It's meant for door sills and stuff like that, but let's see, curved windows, can be rolled, conforms to challenging applications, stretches any direction, repositionable, split liner, easy installation. It's an acrylic. I think that's the right thing for this. Well, you may as well try it. I mean, first piece, check this out. It stretches in all directions, so I can work it into this little groove here. It sticks crazily. You can always reposition it. You have to roll it once it's in. But look at that. Totally sealed underneath there. How beautiful is that? Let's keep going. Step 2 of this makeover is I'm applying a gasketing material here. This is going to seal basically the pan cover, this is all upside down right now, to the top fan motor assembly, which is great. And then I put a gasketing material, non-hardening gasketing material, between this entire flange. This is the top and the bottom of the fan cowl. And I also ended up finding a giant plastic bag that was shoved in there. So if you look inside of that hole, you see there's that grill in there. And that grill caught a plastic bag, which greatly diminished suction. So no wonder this thing wasn't operating at 100%, but now it will. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. Good time of year. Getting the squeeze on. It's gratifying. You know it's a good seal. Move it another way. Well, that is a wrap, quite literally. Thank you so much to this Zip Systems stretch wrap. It is an incredible product. It's all rolled. That gives it good adhesion. I do believe that is very similar to 3M VHB tape because it is pressure sensitive, I'm guessing. I don't know for sure, but you want to make sure and give it a good press. It says it all over it. It says roll, like that. Use a roller. So I did. And I mean, that metal pipe now feels 3 times more durable. It's crazy. I've got it all adhered down here. I'm going to use this dust collector, and after putting my seal in here, a seal underneath here, taping all this up with Zip Systems, giving this a great bonding surface here for the hose, and then all of this for the filter, cleaning that out, tightening it up, put it back together, and I think that is a winning combination. Retrofit, refurb, maintenance 101. Beautiful. Ready to go.